War is an ancient and serious crime, too often endorsed and carried out by old-fashioned men. Today, a new generation of men is rising. New Age men who refuse to glorify war and instead stand for world peace and a new space race, where humanity's courage is directed towards exploration, discovery, and cooperation beyond Mother Earth. To every man and boy, whether shaped by old traditions or inspired by a new future, we invite a moment of humility and responsibility. Let us apologize to all women and children who suffer and die as a consequence of man-made war. Let us choose a different legacy. Together we can turn humanity's greatest energies away from destroying one another and toward building a peaceful civilization on Earth while exploring the vast frontiers of space. To make this vision measurable, we invite the leaders of all 193 United Nations represented in the United Nations to publicly declare their position on world peace before the opening ceremony of the 2028 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles, opening on the 14th of July 2028. Each leader is invited to respond with one of three simple answers. Yes, I stand for world peace and commit to advancing it. No, I do not support this declaration. Why not? I'm willing to discuss the path toward it. These responses can be shared openly through social media so the citizens of the world can witness where their leaders stand. History will remember the courage of those who choose peace. P.S. If you believe the world is ready for stronger female leadership in global diplomacy, you can also express your support to Amina J. Mohammed, Deputy Secretary General of the United Nations, as a potential future leader when the term of Antonio Guterres concludes on the 31st of December 2026. Let her know you stand with her for a more peaceful world. Together, let us move humanity from an age defined by war to an age defined by peace, partnership, and exploration.